So I brought another nice makeup kit for women. We'll see it. It should be the one which you are looking for. All in one makeup kit for women, full kit, makeup gift set for women. It's an essential bundle includes foundation, eyeshadow, everything is included. I believe that it is a good one. It is about 26 US dollars. It is in multicolors, all in one makeup kit, skin friendly makeup kit, the best gift for ladies, perfect for every occasion. I think that this is the one which you are looking for. It is having 20 color eyeshadow, 8 color eyeshadow, lip gloss, eyebrow stencil, 15 color, everything is available. See the contrast of these photos, you can see it is a nice one. And also these pencils also, you can see the different of it. And also this 26 plus 20 plus 8 color eyeshadow. See these colors, very interesting. I think this is the one which you are looking for. It is a very nice one. Lip makeup. So I think that you are looking for this one. Versatile eyeshadow. So my dear friends, this is a nice one. All in one makeup kit for women, a full kit. I invite you to come to my link in the description and buy one for me. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.